my lovies, I'm back with you again for another review. This time this review is from a company called EMISK Official Store. This company you can find on Amazon.com, so check down below in the description bar for all the links and if there are any savings or coupon codes down below. So yeah, this company reached out to me and they wanted me to review this item for them, and I said most definitely, because I love anything dealing with like storage or hanging, you know, if I can utilize a space for hanging or something like that. So yeah, so they sent me this 4-pack of adhesive towel hooks. They came in a box like this and they look like that inside of the box. And these are stainless steel robe hook or robe hangers or towel hangers. I'm sure you can utilize them for other things as well, but they come 4 in a pack and they do all have adhesive on the back. They can be used, sorry, let me get my scissors. They can be used in your bedroom, in your kitchen, in your bathroom. So yeah, they look like this. And this does, well, I don't know why I thought this moved. But you will put them on your wall, stick them on your wall like so. You want this to be upward. And it does have this adhesive on the back that is waterproof. So that is definitely an A+, because you don't want this just sliding off the wall. No, I would not like that. So yeah, like I said, they are stainless steel, and you do have 3 more in the box, which is awesome. This product does have a 5 out of 5 rating on Amazon.com. And it retails for $14.99 on Amazon.com. Me personally, I do think that that is a great price, being that this item is waterproof and it is stainless steel. So that is an A+. It said a little bit about the product. These are strong adhesive hooks. Self-adhesive wall hooks can provide strong strength, durability, which can bear weight up to 8.8 pounds. So these, you can hang up to 8.8 pounds on these, so do keep that in mind. They are suitable for any environment, which means like wet places such as the bathrooms, and also you can use them in your kitchen, and they also are suitable for your bedroom or office. They are considered a heavy duty hook, so that is definitely A+ in my book. It does say, before you install the hook, please keep the surface clean and dry, and do not use it on wallpaper, leather, or other unstable surfaces. And it just tells you more on the website. You will see all these notes and stuff on the website as well, as far as how you will utilize these hooks. So definitely go and check this product out. Like I said, I will have the links down below in the description box. I think this is something that would be great in your home, office, bedroom, bathroom. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.